Hey guys, it's Nikki here, and I am back with another hands-on review of the HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. So the HUAWEI Nova 9 SE was actually just released back in March 20 of 2022, so just a couple of days ago. But our friends at HUAWEI were actually gracious enough to give us a unit to test out for us to do a hands-on review. So let's check it out. So here is the HUAWEI Nova 9 SE in action. Fresh out of the box, right on top we have a little package that has the SIM eject tool. It is a really nice jelly case. That is a huge camera cutout, and I am excited to see what phone goes in this now. And of course we have the phone right here, and inside we have the standard USB Type-C cable and their 66-watt supercharge, which they boasted about a 75% battery in just 20 minutes. So we shall see the phone right now. This is a pretty color, although a bit of a fingerprint magnet if I do say so myself. But here is the phone with the gigantic camera that I was talking about. So yeah, we'll see. And it fits. So the phone itself actually has a 6.78-inch screen with a 1080 by 2388 pixel ratio, 89.5% screen to body ratio. And of course the phone itself runs on its own UI, which they call the EMUI, which HUAWEI developed themselves. And of course that means there is no Google Play. So that's just something to think about. The camera on the back, this one, the giant one that I have marveled over, is a 108 megapixel super cam with a 1080p high definition photo and video taking capacity, and runs on a Snapdragon 680 4G chipset. The phone has a 4000 mAh battery, which runs for a long time, but we will see. And it also has a hybrid dual SIM setup, which you can put a nano SIM, and the second SIM you can either put a second SIM or you can put a expandable storage of a nano SD card. The phone has 128 gigs of internal storage with 8 gigs of RAM, but there is also an option for a 256 gigs of internal storage, but also the same with 8 gigs of RAM. There is no 3.5mm audio jack, which means that we cannot go wired headphones on this phone, which personal experience, I don't really like Bluetooth headsets, mainly because when I make calls, people can't hear me, and also they die in like 6 hours. And I'm the type who, if I'm on the go, I would much rather not have to worry about my earphones being completely charged as well as my phone, if that makes sense. And the phone charges with a USB Type-C 2.0 with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor right there. They actually boasted about it being fast at detecting fingerprints. The phone has the capacity to a fast charge of a 66 watt with 75% in just 20 minutes. That is fast. The different colors that this phone has, of course, is the midnight black, pearl white, and what we have right now, the crystal blue. So let's get into this phone. So of course, if you want to go to Facebook, you have to go to their browser. Personally, I am not a fan of that, but HUAWEI doesn't have that option for us. If you're going to boast about a 108 megapixel camera, you better have Instagram. So I guess this is just a dual view. You can see my camera, you can see me. Hi. And so with that, if you want to avail your own Huawei Nova 9 SE, it retails for $13,999, so go to your local Huawei retail store, and you can also contact your local Huawei representative in order to learn more about how you can avail this phone. Again, this has been Nikki, and if you like this video, hit the like. And if you have any more comments, suggestions, or anything that you want to talk to us and the Tech Kuya team, you can just leave a comment down below. We promise, we read the comments, and we will be reaching out to you. This has been Nikki, signing off. Thanks, guys!